Welcome to Star of the Seas. This is room 9304. It's an infinite family balcony. You'll see there are doorbells on either side. We are connecting to 302. Let's check it out. When we walk in here, this is kind of another common space that you have. And each side has a chalkboard, so you can leave notes. And then let's check out the room. This room does sleep 5. There are controls here to temperature, lighting, you can close the shades, all that great stuff, very technical. Now, when we come in, you've got the bunk beds for the kids. Each side has a TV, nice stairs, and there is some storage, I believe. So you can tuck some things in there. It's actually seating there. Cute, super cute. And there is a curtain that you can close. Check out the chalkboard, super nice. Draw on. And then the first door we come into is the half bath. Great storage in here. Looks great. Then we come around to this side and we have the stand-up shower, nice space, and a little bit of storage under here. This is a drawer that does open. So you've got some more space in here as well. And behind the mirror, more storage. More storage underneath, baskets below, lots of closet space, decent sized closets, couch pulls out to sleep another person, great vanity space here, lots more drawers, and your mini fridge. This bed is set up as a king, and we can have that split if we wish. We've got a USB port on this side. And this is an infinite balcony, so we do have extra space inside here. Got a power cord here and another USB. And we do have infinite balcony, as I mentioned, so you've got the ability to raise that up and down. There's a shade that comes down as well. And this kind of brings the balcony into your room, gives you more storage space if you wish, and it really brings the room together nicely. We have more plugs over here, USB, and so this is your infinite family balcony. Please contact Castle Dreams Travel to book your next vacation. Thank you.